mano. Comienza, ¿no? Mete cena. Sure.
Hey guys, it's the Beauty Bins here and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I thread my eyebrows at home and how I get my eyebrows from this to this. In this video, need a pair of scissors and string. So the first thing we want to do is get our string, and I like to measure it down my forearm to my elbow and then basically double it back up. So I got about down to my elbow to there. I think that's enough string. That might be more than enough string. So I have my string, it's about this long, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie this end in a knot. So I tied that end in a knot, and now I have this, basically this much string. Here's a string, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go 5 times. Now we have this little threaded part. This part here is like wrapped around itself. And basically what it does is any hair that gets caught between these two strings, obviously you wouldn't really be able to see it. It basically snatches the hair out of your skin. Grabs on, snatches it. So what I recommend is trying this movement. I'm just going open, 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 open. And you can also do, you know, leave your pinky out. You can do just these fingers. So you can do your fingers like this, like that, even just these two if you want, and if you have a shorter amount of string. Okay, so now that we know how to move our hands, we're gonna start. So when I do this method, I thread my mustache as well as my eyebrows, and I even do my cheeks as well. Okay, so we're gonna start with our mustache. So I'm gonna start threading. I open up my right hand. If I'm going in this direction, I open up my right hand and I place it, and then I open up my left hand. Ow. Now, I definitely recommend, if this is new to you, do your mustache first and then do your cheeks. Then go up to your eyebrows. There was a time I threaded my eyebrows like 2-3 years ago, and I accidentally took it like straight up that way, and it looked like I got cut or something. It literally took the hair out straight up through here. So there's also a method of threading where you can actually keep one hand stationary and then just use the other hand. It doesn't really work well for me. I think you have to twist it more if you do it that way. Oh yeah, there we go. Ow. But I like to use just both hands. But for some people, it may be easier to keep one hand stationary, so I recommend, you know, trying all the different hand positions I show in this video. Okay, I'm gonna go look in a real mirror to see if my mustache is good. Now, I think what makes this method better than tweezing is you get like multiple hairs at once, and then you even get like the finer hairs that you kind of can't see or wouldn't exactly go for with your tweezers. So there are a couple more hairs I'm gonna get in an actual mirror instead of on camera, just so, you know, I do a thorough job, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done with my mustache, and here's how it looks. So I'd say that probably took me like 10 minutes, probably because I was filming. Well, including the time I filmed, it probably took me about 10 minutes. When I cut the camera off, I was able to get the rest of the hairs in like 3 minutes or so. Okay, so now for the eyebrows. Going to just kind of comb them. And I'm actually gonna start with the top of my brow, all up here. And I'm gonna start far out and then make my way in. So, start probably back here. Oh, ooh, that hurt. So I'm literally, right now I'm using mostly my left hand to guide. My left hand is actually more dominant with threading. I don't know why. We're gonna push all these hairs down and out the way. I'm gonna start out here and pull. So, get all these hairs up and out of the way, and we're gonna slowly make our way in closer towards the brow. Oh, ow. So I would say like the key to really getting nice brows is practicing and doing your best to create straight lines. It does look a lot cleaner on the top. Hairs I want to get, but I'm gonna come back. Oh gosh, wow, did you guys see that? That hurt. Okay, I'm gonna jump to the bottom of my eyebrows. So I'm putting powder on my brows just to make the hairs easier to grip. So this is how this brow's looking so far, and that's that brow. Okay, so this is what I have so far with this brow. I think I'm gonna stop here. I kind of made this, like I kind of took a hair over here that I didn't mean to. That's okay. Got this clean. The top is pretty clean and the bottom is nice enough for me. So now I'm just gonna brush the hairs up and just cut any hairs we don't need. It's pretty hard when you're not using a mirror. So this is the finished result for this brow. Okay, so I'm going to do this brow off camera just because it's really hard to do thread your eyebrow in film, but I hope you guys got the idea. My skin is super smooth. I didn't use anything besides the scissors to trim the hair to remove this. This is what we got. Okay, so I did my right brow. And this is the final result. I'm not gonna lie, I struggle with this. I struggle with this brow because my left hand is more dominant with threading. And I struggle with this brow because look what happened. Oh, it's okay. But I was using the viewfinder to do my eyebrows on the. So I took out some hairs and I didn't really see what I was doing. There was a hair, like 3 hairs right over here. That should still be alive today, but that's okay. And this brow came out a bit fuller, but I like it. Once I fill them in, they're gonna look the same. But yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do plan on modifying this, of course, getting better, learning tips on how I can make my brows come out more precise and better than this time around. But nonetheless, this is still a really great video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will probably be doing a couple more brow hacks soon. But thank you so much for watching. Bye.